recipe is really simple. All the ingredients we are going to use are easily available in your kitchen. The only one special thing you need is the pot itself. As you can see, this is a tajine pot. It has this very interesting cone structure, and what it really does is collects all the steam in here, and that is what cooks your meat and vegetables. This was gifted to me by a cousin of mine, and ever since I tried it for the first time at home, it has become an instant hit. Let's quickly go over the ingredients. As you can see, tray full of colorful vegetables. We have pumpkin, string beans, carrots, green and red peppers, cauliflowers, red potatoes, zucchini. I mean, go crazy on your vegetables. Put in all the vegetables you like. That's how simple it is. That's vegetables. You also need I've got here some Spanish onions, 4 cloves of garlic, and there's some ginger. For the dry spices, what you really need is salt as per your taste, and 1 teaspoon each of turmeric, red chili, there is cumin powder and paprika. All of this 1 teaspoon. And there's 1 teaspoon of this Bahraini meat masala that I have used. It's also a gift from a friend of mine. And what this really is some fennel, cardamom, cloves, all of it put together. But really, use any meat masala that you have, any flavor that you want to give your meat, it's going to come out really well in this. So that's all the spices you need. Other than that, there is olive oil, of course, a healthy oil, and you can easily use it because this is slow cooking. So that's olive oil and a kilo of meat. Use any cut, it's okay. Bone, without bone, anything will work. That's it. That's your ingredients. Let's cook. Start by laying the meat on the pan. Just like that. Take your pieces and lay them flat. We're almost done here. The meat has been laid. That is done. It's now time to add the spice. There we go. Here is our salt. And I'm actually going to mix it up now that we know what we're doing. There we go. Let the spice goes in. On the stove. We are going to let it be on the stove for 15 minutes on medium cooking. 15 minutes are up. Time to open up our pot. There we go. Look how yummy the meat is already looking. What we're going to do now is put in all our veggies. And really, you can decorate them or you can just put them in. I generally like to put some method into the madness. So I'm laying it out here properly, just so that all the colors come out really well. Oh, the smell is amazing. There we go. Some string beans in the center. Of course, our green pepper and red pepper gives all the color that we need. I love using red pepper because it just, gives this pop color to your lunch. And then we have some chilies. For those of you who like chilies, I think this is a great way. And colors are building up right here. Some cauliflower. Now I like to leave my cauliflower slightly larger because it is possible that this dish will make all your veggies really soft, because now we're going to leave in the pot for an hour of slow cooking. I'm just going to sprinkle some of these here. Okay, our pot looks ready. There we go. And we just put the lid back up. There we go. And now I'm going to put it on the stove on slow cooking for an hour. This dish is absolutely ready. Let me quickly check if the meat is done. Oh yes, so soft. Divine. One quick tip: if your meat isn't as tender as the one I'm using, you could either marinate it for 2 hours before you start, or you could add in some water when you keep the pot for the first time with the meat on the stove, right? But as you can see, I haven't done either of it because the meat that I'm using is really tender. So this dish is ready to be served with either hummus or rice or chapati and lots of love. What I need for this recipe are some very simple ingredients. We did put it on the stove for around an hour and 15 minutes, so you need that kind of time, and you need the tajine pot. Enjoy.